Hello everybody and welcome to my channel today. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry for my voice. I've got yet another cold, third one of 2024. So yeah. So I'm painting some frogs. I'm kind of been in a frog theme lately, and it's funny because Spoonflower came out with a frog challenge, so I thought, well, I must be on to the right trend. But frogs are fun to paint, and I've got some calligraphy ink. This J Urban calligraphy ink. It's a beautiful, beautiful grayish green, and it's got this gold shimmery mica at the bottom that I'm trying to shake up there. And just using my Artify watercolor brush and just gonna make a basic frog silhouette. Thought I'd swatch that right there to remind myself of the color. Yeah. If you like these kinds of videos, if you could hit like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. And check out the links below. Hopefully you are enjoying creating with your art supplies. Just grab what you have on hand if you want to paint a little frog. This is a Strathmore watercolor journal. It is the Strathmore Visual, I think it's called. And it has like 140-pound paper in it, and I really like this paper, so I often use this, and it's great for travel as well. You can get larger versions. So basically just making my frog. Making some legs, trying to remember. I did not have a reference photo in front of me, so I was trying to remember what it would be like to look down on a frog. Usually I feel like I like to have a reference photo just to remember certain shapes and things, because it's not like we think about that every day. But it turned out all right. And I did end up making a surface pattern design from this. If you check out my Spoonflower shop, you could see it in there in the public designs. And I have more coming once that challenge is done. And I'll probably create a little collection for Etsy and Patreon. And with my Patreon, you can pay $3 a month and get all of my designs for free. So that's a very, very good deal. And then Etsy, of course, you can purchase individual digital papers there. And also check out my clearance section in my Etsy shop. I'm going to be destashing a little bit. I have a lot of products. Etsy's made some business decisions that have not been great for smaller people like myself, and I've had to sort of recoup and sort of, well, not recoup, but kind of, I don't know, change my way that I've had to do business a little bit, and as far as supply and demand, and then coupled with the fact that my health hasn't been great. So trying to make do with what I can. So I'm kind of destashing some things that, it's sad because I like it all, but you can't do everything, right? So yeah, so check out those links, see if you can get yourself some good deals. And I would love to see my things go to a nice, happy home where they're going to get used. And dropping in, I've got some gold ink here, back to my frog. This is Winsor & Newton Gold. I think it's just called gold, and it's very, very shimmery, and you can get it in a couple different sizes. And my frog was still wet, and you're probably thinking, well, why are you dropping that in if your ink was already shimmery? It just added, this Winsor & Newton is very shimmery, so I wanted some extra gold there, so as you can see. So yeah, fun little frog, nice to get down there. And even if you paint just something simple, it's amazing what you can do with that and digitally. Thank you guys so much for watching my little frog and the luscious little inks that we're being painted with. I hope that you stick around. Have a great day.